Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP OfficeJet 3831 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 3831 support. Exactly how you see it on my screen. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that reads up in the top header, HP OfficeJet 3831 all-in-one printer. Open that up. And now on this page, you should see a picture of your printer up at the top. And if you scroll down underneath the applicable support categories, select software and drivers. And then going down a little bit on this page that then directs you to, select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and the corresponding download link. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin the extraction process. And it may take a moment. And then once you receive a user account control screen, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just continue with the installer here. It should be a very straightforward, intuitive process of getting it configured for your device. And that's pretty much all you would have to do at this point. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.